What's a soulmate?
Well, it's like a best friend, but more. It's the one person in the world who knows you better than anyone else.
You will do the right thing.
It's someone who makes you a better person. Actually, they don't make you a better person, you do that yourself. Because they inspire you. A soulmate is someone who you carry with you forever. It's the one person who knew you and accepted you and believed in you before anyone else did, or when no one else would.
Thanks, Clank.
And no matter what happens, you'll always love them. Nothing can ever change that.
Clank! Wake up! You kidding me? You think I'd leave my best pal out here alone? When this is over, I'll back whatever decision you make. I can't talk you out of this, can I? Ratchet, we have been on many adventures. But the clock needs someone to protect it. It is what I was built for. Discovering my family has made me realize that I cannot leave Ratchet.